most recent thing that I did was added a pipe. My buddy has an XMR version of this, and he had the Yoshi pipe, which is $1,300, and I couldn't really bring myself to do that. So for a slip-on, which is the same as the Yoshi, I bought the HMF Titan XL. It's also a slip-on. I don't know if you can see that there. And it's the perfect right amount of loudness, I guess. It's a little bit throatier than the stock exhaust. Definitely seems like it has a little bit more throttle response. And it was a third of the price. So all in all, super happy with the machine. And yeah.